Have you seen this chart right here? There's a tornado warning coming for Bitcoin, and now it's official. If you're new here, welcome in. My name is Steve. On this channel, we do it differently. We stand out from the crowd. When they go left, we go right. We base it all on the facts and the charts. So hit that subscribe button right now. You're gonna love it here, especially if you like the facts. Hit that subscribe button. So right here, we're on the monthly chart. We have price action above, and what's below are distinct green bars. These green bars are for finding market bottoms and for understanding the inflection point of, okay, we've had some market bottom candles. Once we stop printing candles, that's when the market really turns into the bull run. So this is the CM Williams VIX fix. You can find it by going to your indicators and type it in, and we've got it here on the monthly. And what we see down here with the CM Williams VIX fix is simple. These nice green bars start printing when the Bitcoin price has reached a bottom, right? They start printing these candles at our bottom, and they give us plenty of opportunities to enter the market, right? Month after month after month, printing these green bars, screaming to the general audience, buy Bitcoin right now. Again, the sole purpose of this indicator is to find market bottoms and to find inflection points from a market bottom into the next bull run, right? So we start printing these month after month after month, giving people ample opportunity to get into Bitcoin before it's too late, right? So this indicator is strictly for this, right? And you can use it on other time frames with some false signals, etc. But on the monthly chart, it's so clean and very beautiful. What we noticed is once we stop printing these green bars, that means the market has reached an inflection point. That means the market is finished allowing people to buy, and it's time to enter the bull run, okay? So when we stop printing these, it's equally as important as when we start printing these, okay? So start printing means one thing, stop printing means another. Start printing means, hey, sell your kids, sell your car, sell your wife. It's time to buy Bitcoin. Obviously, all of those things are a joke, but you get the point. When we stop printing these, the signal is like, hey, wake the hell up. If you didn't buy Bitcoin yet, wake the hell up. That's what this signal means, right? So this was our last bar printed, and this candle right here, we did not print a green bar. That was the wake-up call. Like, hey, if you haven't bought Bitcoin yet, this is your chance, okay? So that's what happened in 2015. Fast forward to the next market cycle, we start printing the candles here, which is like, hey, get ready, we're near our market bottom. Then boom, at our market bottom, we printed another one, and then boom, we gave another chance, and then even a fourth one in 2019 with this candle right here, which is like, hey, if you didn't buy yet, it's time to really buy. And then this next candle, this one right here in March, we didn't print a green bar. So again, starting to print means one thing, stopping printing means another. When you stop printing, it means like, hey, wake the hell up if you haven't bought Bitcoin yet and you've been waiting for prices to go down. Because by the way, each of these candles, that's kind of the wake up call, is when the high majority of people haven't bought Bitcoin yet because they're waiting for prices to go way lower. This indicator will help keep those emotions in check based on the facts and the charts, not what you think is going to happen or what the news says or the coin flip that you tossed that day. It's just the facts. When we stop printing these green bars, it's time to wake the hell up and get into Bitcoin. Now we fast forward to this coming cycle, right? And this is where things get interesting because we printed our bottom candle right where we should have. Right here was our first time we printed. Keep in mind, each time we first print, that means one thing. It means it's time to start buying. And when we stop printing, it means another. So we went month after month after month with, hey, good time to buy, good time to buy, good time to buy, market bottom, market bottom, market bottom. And our last one was in January. We printed this green bar right here in January, which was the largest rally that Bitcoin had seen in its bear market. And this was our first bullish engulfing candle in the bear market. In fact, our first bullish engulfing candle since this one, literally July 2021. So this was our first bullish engulfing candle in a very long time. And that was the last time we printed the green bar. And we all waited at the edge of our seats for February. What is Bitcoin going to do for the month of February? Are we going to print another one of these green bars? Or is it going to be the first time that we did not print a green bar? So we got on our edge of our seats in February, and we looked right here at this candle close, and guess what? Bitcoin did not print a green bar. And again, I just want to reiterate, we can only look based on the facts and the charts. And most people say, hey, what can we make of this? It didn't print this green bar. Well, in the past, when it didn't print a green bar here, that was the start of the bull run. And when it didn't print a green bar here, that was the start of the bull run. So it didn't print a green bar in February. What does that mean? That could very well mean that it's the start of the bull run. Now, right now, there are a lot of charts that I study that are going one way or the other, but they're all screaming the same big message. Bitcoin, at the worst case scenario, could come down and retest its base. That definitely is a possibility. But what's a broader picture than that, even more than that, is it's almost undeniable that the charts are screaming that Bitcoin is going to start its bull run in 2023. Regardless that the media is screaming the stock market is going to have its worst crash ever, that we're in a global recession, that there's war, there's all these other things that happening in the world that are going to make 2023 the worst ever. All the top world economists are saying it's going to be the worst ever. But men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. The charts don't lie. And all of the charts that I'm studying are saying we are on the verge of starting our bull run, or we're very, 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 very close to starting it. And the final step could be that flush out to retest our base. So we talked about this chart in our past video right here with our wave trend. Our wave trend is at that critical point where it has not yet said the bull run has started, but it's right there. It is right there. Once we get above this white line, that's when the bull run starts in the wave trend. And case in point back here, wave trend, white line, and we're at that white line right now. So with this chart, it's saying we just started with this candle close of February not printing a green bar. So it's going to get interesting. What I want to say is I'm going to be making another video today on Friday, a bonus video to everybody with charts that are not covered right here, exclusive video, absolutely free, an exclusive bonus video with all the charts you need to know in the month of March. So go to cryptocrewuniversity.com and join our email list. If you're on our email list, you're going to get this for free. If you're not on our email list, you won't get the video, plain and simple. So go on our email list. It's absolutely free, and I'm going to be adding more value for free to everybody on our email list, including a weekly market report, which are the best charts to look at right now, this week, exclusive behind the scenes information that's not covered here on YouTube, all found for everyone for free in our email list. So cryptocrewuniversity.com, jump on the email list, and I'll see you right back here in the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs. Do you want to know when to buy and when to sell? Click this video right now.